Recently, my wife and I hiked to the summit of the Routeburn track in Fjordan National Park, South Island, New Zealand, and captured breathtaking mountain views. In this video, you'll learn 7 insider tips on how to film a breathtaking hiking video using limited gear. I used a GoPro action camera to capture cinematic video footage. This action camera is shockproof, waterproof, freeze-proof, and even small enough to fit inside your pocket. This means you don't need to carry a lot of camera gear and you can film super steady footage on the go. The Smatree tripod allows you to capture point of view shots without holding the camera. The base of the tripod allows you to stand it on any kind of ground. It includes a telescopic extension so you can extend it as needed for different shots. Alternatively, you can use a Shorty. You can use it as a tripod and it can also be extended. Keep in mind it can only be extended to about 6 inches. Links to all the gear are in the description. Before you hit the trail, visualize what type of shots you wish to capture. For example, you may want to capture the sign at the beginning of the trail, walking along the trail, the different types of terrain, and the mountain landscapes. Having a plan will save you time and ensure you make the most of your hike with your limited gear. Capturing different camera angles makes your video more interesting to your viewers. Most of your video footage is probably going to be captured just by holding your camera in front of you as you're hiking the trail, but also pan from side to side to capture video footage from a different angle. If you have a telescopic tripod, you can capture overhead shots like this one. You can also set up your tripod to capture yourself walking towards the camera. As you're hiking, try to capture unusual shots like this close-up of the moss on a tree. Or this fern carpet on the sides of the trail. Here's a unique shot capturing a tiny waterfall and then a larger waterfall. Here's a point of view shot capturing my wife walking the trail next to a stream. Take still shots with the camera to capture those moments in time. If there's other people on the trail or you're hiking with someone, you can ask them to take your photo. These days, most people carry an iPhone, so you can use your iPhone to supplement the footage you're shooting from your GoPro. You can use your editing software to weave together a compelling story that transports your viewers to the heart of your adventure. I used the GoPro Quick app to download the video footage to my iPhone, then edit the footage right on my phone. I can include photos from my camera roll and also add music. It also means I don't have to use a computer to edit my video footage because I can edit the videos right on the phone within 30 to 60 minutes. Every hiking video has a narrative that's waiting to be told. In this video, I shared the story of my wife and I hiking the beautiful Routeburn track in the South Island of New Zealand, showing the beautiful native New Zealand forest unfolding before our eyes and the stunning mountain landscapes after we conquered the summit. Watch the rest of the video to see how all the shots came together to tell a story. If you implement these 7 insider tips, you'll be well equipped to film breathtaking hiking videos with limited gear. So grab your camera, hit the trail, and unleash your creativity. And next, if you want to know how I filmed a cinematic cycling video as a solo creator, watch this video on the screen right now. I share stunning coastal landscapes while hitting a mountain biking trail on the South Island of New Zealand.